Hello everyone, and meet the Lotusmile chiffon blouse that perfectly blends professional style with your everyday comfort. This lightweight shirt is crafted from premium breathable polyester to keep you feeling cool and very relaxed. The elegant design features a classic shirt collar along with stylish faux front pockets for a modern aesthetic. You will surely appreciate the unique 3/4 sleeves that add a sophisticated touch to your personal wardrobe. Simply pair this versatile top with skirts or jeans for an effortless transition from work to casual play. It is the perfect choice for busy office meetings, casual weekend outings, or even festive evening dinner parties. This machine washable blouse offers easy maintenance while ensuring you always look polished and also feel truly professional. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.